So over the weekend on my way home from doing a little photo work for a future video, out of nowhere the bottom fourth of my Pixel 3's display went a little crazy. It got super bright and casted a whitish greenish hue. Luckily I had another phone on me to record what was going on. Now let me get this out of the way first. I didn't drop my phone, I've never dropped my Pixel 3. I've had this phone for a little over a month now and it's still in pristine condition. And the only reason I bring this up is because I went looking for answers and noticed that MKBHD had a similar issue on his Pixel 3 XL, except his had a vertical pink line, but the displays on the 3 and 3 XLs are different. The 3 uses an LG panel while the 3 XL uses a Samsung. And come to find out, MKBHD did drop his phone, so that's probably why he got that vertical pink line. Anyway, the only other piece of evidence I was able to dig up was this image that got posted on Reddit from someone who had a Pixel 3 and his display was defective right out of the box. Also with a vertical line but had green in it, just like mine. In his post he wrote, "When the phone is moved in hand, the line will flicker, grow, or disappear and leave a blank line of pixels," which is pretty much what happens with mine, except it covers a whole section of the display. Anyway, about 10 minutes later, after I got off my train stop, the display just started to go nuts. Take a look. So I got home and it got considerably worse. I ended up chatting with Google's support team and pretty much concluded my screen went defective and I had to get a replacement. Now I held off on making this video right when it happened because I wanted to see if it would have resolved itself, and in a way it did. The next day, after it being powered down for about 12 hours, I started it up and it seemed fine again. And while the whole white-green flickering issue hasn't come back completely, I've noticed that after unlocking the phone, the whole screen will sometimes go super bright for just a split second and then go away. And then earlier today I noticed the bottom fourth of the screen where the issue started to happen would just flicker ever so slightly here and there. I'm actually pretty glad I haven't seen a ton of this being reported, which makes me think quality control is better this time around. Maybe. Other than my Pixel 3 and the one user I found on Reddit, I haven't been able to find anyone else talking about it. But if it is an issue and other people are experiencing this, it's definitely something I'd like to bring up so we can discuss it and bring it to Google's attention. If anything else comes out of this, I'll keep you posted.